Hello everyone, I am Richard Pilar from Carrington Textiles and I am responsible for the Czech, Slovak and the Polish markets. And actually, as everyone else, I'm nowadays working from home, and this seems to be at the moment the most quiet place where I take opportunity to introduce you our two fabrics, which are sorry, that's not this one, which are Kimi and Petra. Both fabrics are satin weave, 60% cotton and 40 polyester. Kimi has a 200 grams and Petra 185 grams. Thanks to the construction, both fabrics has a very soft handle and brilliant wearing comfort. Both fabrics are stock supported in white color, and any of our customers also request in these qualities their customized colors. If you would like to learn more about these two brilliant fabrics, please press the link at the bottom of this post. For the rest, I wish you all the best. Thanks for the watching and keep safe.